Meaning of dastardly.
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 Dastardly. The word dastardly means cowardly or treacherous, and is often used to describe actions that are sneaky, underhanded, or morally reprehensible. A person who behaves in a dastardly way is typically seen as lacking in courage, honor, or integrity. Examples of dastardly behavior might include lying, cheating, stealing, or betraying someone's trust. Ultimately, the term dastardly refers to actions that are seen as dishonorable or disreputable, and which reflect poorly on the character and reputation of the person who engages in them.